Hello CDS parents, my name is Emily Capello and I am the school librarian here at Community Day School. I have been employed at CDS for a little bit over a year and I love working with the students here. I earned my Bachelor of Science degree in Elementary and Special Education in 2013 from Houghton College, and I earned my Master's of Library and Information Science from University of North Carolina, Greensboro in 2019. I spent the first 2 years of my career teaching third grade and then another 2 years being an elementary school librarian, both in central North Carolina. I moved to Pittsburgh in 2018 for my husband to start his PhD in mathematics at the University of Pittsburgh, and we both love living in this city. We have 2 adorable dogs, and we are expecting our first baby this February. When I'm not working, I love to bake, I love to spend time outside, and I love cheering on the Buffalo Bills. I'm using Google Classroom to facilitate learning in 6th grade library this year. Unlike other specials, 6th grade will have library all year long, once every cycle, whereas their other specials rotate by trimester. I find that using Google Classroom is a great way to keep myself and students organized, and it just makes everything easily accessible for both in-person and virtual learners. I structure my Google Classroom by topic, and each class has its own topic. So I'm going to show you that quickly. And it is the same for both 6A and 6B. So as you can see under classwork, I make each class a different topic so that they know today is October 9th and we're doing these activities. And then underneath each topic, you will see the materials that we need for the class and the assignment for that day. The assignments with a little exclamation point are important, so keep that in mind. So for grading, students do receive a grade in library just like they do in their other classes. And like I said, that red exclamation point shows that assignments are going to be graded. So not every assignment that they do in class will be for a grade, but the students know the ones with the red exclamation points are the ones that they definitely need to focus on so that they can receive a good grade. And grades are recorded in both Google Classroom and on MyComDay, so there should be no confusion about what their grade is. And then along with that, we do not have tests in library class. Grades come from in-class assignments and projects. I have created this virtual library for students as a starting point for each class. So you can see there's some fun decorations, and then I have a lot of different resources on the bookshelf over here. Because we can't be in our physical library this year, I thought it would be a good idea to create a virtual library. So things like Epic, that's a website where students can read books online. BrainPop, they love to watch videos about various subjects, and much more. I also wanted to show you in our virtual library. This is the home page, and then we also have a to-do list that I post during each class. So this helps me to stay on track when I'm teaching and helps the kids to know what to expect that day during class. Finally, I wanted to share with you some of the topics we're going to be discussing in library this year. These topics include how to research effectively, media literacy, fake news, digital citizenship, genre, plagiarism, and citing sources, and much more. So thank you so much for your attention today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. You can see my email address here on the screen, and I'll be in touch. Thanks. Have a great day.